The MASTFUYI FY12 rechargeable thermal imaging camera is an advanced handheld infrared thermal imager designed for precision, stability, and versatility. With the capability to detect temperatures across 57,600 points simultaneously, it provides rapid fault detection with no omissions or misjudgments. Its visual thermography ensures that temperature measurement points are accurately located in real time. The device operates within a wide measuring range of -20 degrees Celsius to 550 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for various applications in industries such as medical, fire protection, transportation, agriculture, and energy. Equipped with a 96 by 96 pixel resolution and a 25 Hz frame rate, this thermal imager utilizes cutting-edge image stabilization technology to deliver clear and precise readings. Its high-speed detection capabilities make it an essential tool for electricians, maintenance technicians, and engineers, helping them quickly identify problem areas. The camera's automatic tracking feature enables simultaneous measurement of high, low, and center temperatures on the same screen, ensuring comprehensive monitoring of heat variations. Designed for user convenience, the MASTFUYI FY12 includes a temperature alarm system that allows users to set high and low alarm values. When the measured temperature exceeds the set threshold, the value on the screen turns red for immediate attention. Additionally, the device supports shooting and positioning functionalities, allowing users to capture images with a short press or utilize the laser infrared feature for precise positioning with a long press. With a built-in 4 GB memory card capable of storing up to 30,000 BMP format image files, users can easily connect the device to a computer for detailed analysis. The thermal imager also features 15 distinct color palettes, offering customizable display modes to suit different scenarios. Furthermore, its adjustable emissivity function enables accurate readings on various surfaces by fine-tuning emissivity levels from 0.1 to 1. Whether for underfloor heating detection, circuit inspections, or smelting operations, this rugged and reliable device is waterproof, dustproof, and drop-resistant, making it an indispensable tool for professionals.